Hey folks, the showers have been hard to find on the radar today, but they're out there, very, very isolated. A couple of them now, as we pointed out earlier, kind of right on Highway 281, just to the north of the county line. Another one a little bit off the highway, but that's it. A pretty quiet day across the valley. Tomorrow probably just like this. Maybe a little more activity on Thursday, but not much. For the most part, we're looking at a dry week ahead. Overnight tonight, patchy clouds show up. That's about it. But again, I don't think we're going to see much rain tonight or tomorrow. Tries to hint at a sea breeze that tries to come to life. Probably a slightly better chance on Thursday, but even that, you're talking very isolated stuff. Just a little bit of a moisture surge then. And then Friday, still mostly sunny skies. And that, I think, is what we're going to see all weekend long. So it should be a good rain-free weekend across the valley. Our best chance is Thursday at about 10%. And yeah, tomorrow, maybe 2 or 3%. Could be like today, a little pop-up shower someplace. But for the most part, we're looking at dry weather for the days ahead. Here's a look at the rest of Texas tonight. Pretty quiet across most of the state. All that moisture was to the south of us yesterday, back over in the mountains again. And there'll be a flare-up over the mountains again today. But again, it'll stay well to the west of the valley. Future track on the big picture just shows all this humidity flowing in. It's a very humid flow coming off the Gulf of Mexico, and that is not going to change. So you go outside and it's just sticky. It's about as humid as it can get. It's going to be that way all the rest of the weekend into the weekend. The dew points might come down a little bit, but not very much. So it's a what you see is what you get kind of forecast. If you like today, you're going to love what we have all the way through the next several days. Here are the current temperatures: 95 in McAllen and Edinburg, 92 in Raymondville right now. 88 is the current temperature in Port Isabel. That's actually the Cameron County Airport out north of town, out in Bayview. This is what it feels like when you add the humidity in. It feels like 107 in McAllen right now. It feels like 102 in Brownsville. The humidity is up. Overnight tonight, reading's going to bottom out in the upper 70s. That's about it. Another warm, humid night. And then tomorrow back up into the mid to upper 90s in most areas. A little cooler at the beach, but even there, the high temperature should be right around 90 degrees, so the heat is on. Average high this time of year is 95, and now we're going above that for the next 3 days. We're not threatening the records, but we'll certainly be above average. Travel plans tomorrow, it is still summer break, and if you're going to San Antonio in the morning, 76 to start the day, 77 in Houston, 79 in Dallas. That's 7 a.m. temperatures, and by afternoon, most of the state bounces up into the 90s, a warm and toasty one across all of Texas. So tonight, partly cloudy, warm and humid, a low around 77 degrees. And tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny and hot. It'll be humid as well. 97, southeast winds at 8 to 16, about a 2% chance for a shower, and maybe something out there. But again, like today, very, very isolated. Mainly dry Thursday, about a 10% probability. Then we're dry after that for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Mostly sunny, and it looks like temperatures up close to 100 pretty much each afternoon. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.